कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। इन मार्केट क्या लगता है, एवरी वीक we just have a look at the last week's summary, the action that has happened in this particular week, and what will be our projections for the upcoming week. So without wasting much of our time, let's start with the analysis part. So let's start with last week's summary, which we discussed in last market kya lagta hai video. So in our last market kya lagta hai video, which was for this particular week starting from 19th July to 23rd July. Remember, this was a truncated expiry with a holiday on Wednesday. So we had our projections that Nifty may remain in a range of 16,000 and 15,500. So Nifty is well within the range of 16,000 and 15,500. And Bank Nifty may remain in a range of 36,000 and 35,000. So as you can see, even Bank Nifty is in that range itself, right? So when we take a look at these scenarios, it becomes prudent that Nifty currently is trading in a very tight range kind of a thing. So there are more of swing trades that are happening on an hourly basis or even a shorter time frame. So if you are a lover of a swing trading, then these trades or these nifty moves will actually attract you or make you trading a little more enjoyable, right? So let us try and understand how we day by day uh, try to understand these actions. So my today morning's message, if we go to, this is prime group. Now this prime group is, once you complete your module 3, then you're part of this prime group for at least 6 months. So this is what my today morning's message like. uh, with Thursday's session giving Nifty close above 15,800, it would be prudent to see how soon Nifty reaches to the target of 16,001. Bank Nifty is a bit of a concern so far, but looks like a 78% retracement from 18th June low, so might turn bullish. So my bias was that Bank Nifty might turn bullish. The reason, the retracement part, will let's see while we go on to the chart. For today, Nifty bullish target can be around 15,850. Now this target got completed, and the second target is 16,001. This target is not yet completed, so this we can keep for the coming week. As for Bank Nifty, the bullish retracement target can be 35,160 and 35,350. These are the two targets I'm talking about. Currently, Bank Nifty is poised at 35,000 mark. So we are just short of this 160 points so far. So let's check that part as well. For equity desk, I have suggested three stocks as usual. One is Aarti Industries, TCS, and JSW Steel. You can check the targets and trade as per your convenience. Now, see again here, I'm suggesting that there was a fall in market for first couple of days of this week. Today we are talking about a bullish move. If you watch closely, Nifty is sideways since more than a month now. So trading intraday makes sense if you are not sure about the positional view. So if you are not clear about the positional view, you have to keep your trades intraday basis only, and that's how things become easier. Now in current market, as I said, only the option writers or option sellers are making money. I'll just show you two quick examples. This is Dr. Jorson DeCosta, and Dr. Jorson traded SBI 480 call options. He sold at 5 rupees and covered that at 50 paise. As well as SR Transport 1600 call, he sold at 12 rupees and covered at 1 rupee 5 paise. This is how things actually happen, and they happen in a very beautiful way. Now, this is सौरभ ट्रेड. कहाँ है सौरभ का ट्रेड? हाँ, दिस इज सौरभ ट्रेड. डॉक्टर सौरभ कभी traded in Nifty July Iron Condor, and then he exited with 20% returns, right? And just understand the words that is mentioning 100% peace of mind. As an option buyer, traders have to look for a vigorous or an impulsive kind of a move. As for option seller can be very cool, consistent, and keeps on making money. And this is something that he has shared his study. And then after that entire discussion, today he has exited from this position. So this is how option sellers are consistently making money, and that is what is helping build their confidence. Now, one more important thing about market, which I would love to show you here to all of you. Uh, while Saurav was expressing his gratitude, one important feedback which I suggested him is that I suggested option selling to many traders. So we talk about option selling in our module 3 seminar very often. And Saurabh Kavi is natural at option selling. And why is that so? Is because he is not in a hurry to make money. And this is something very important that we have to understand. If you are in a hurry to make money in market, then the market is going to take away money from you. And if you are not in a hurry to make money in market, if you are just following, adhering to the process part, then it will be a smooth ride for you. It will be a win-win situation for you. So understand these things and trade in those manner. Let us go to hourly chart of Nifty to understand the current trend. And as you can see, these are my drawings. As you can see, I had mentioned last week's summary, I had mentioned about this particular low, this specific low. And if you take into consideration this low and with respect to this low, which has happened on Tuesday, I believe. So after this action, this target of 15,893 or 895 got completed. And then from there, we are just hanging, lingering around this zone right now. What is there in store next will be this target of 16,001. So this is something that I'm expecting in the coming week. Now the bias is bullish. The bias is strongly bullish, and this 15,800 mark is going to prove as a very important support level. So this week, the range is going to be between 15,800 and 16,000. And this zone for this particular week is going to be very important. If we get a breakout, then the Nifty journey towards 16,150 or maybe ahead of that might continue. Again, we are talking about only one target here in this particular week for Nifty, that is 16,001. That's it. And no new target. If it breaks above this, then the next targets will come into picture. As and when that comes, I will update it midweek. Second most important thing, Bank Nifty. If we look at Bank Nifty today, now this is a daily chart of Bank Nifty. Let me quickly go on to hourly chart. And even on a Bank Nifty, the picture is very interesting. As you can see, this was our range for the previous week. And this time around, I had suggested this top will be crucial. And now we have formed a low here at around 34,300. And then we have got a recovery. Now, what has caused this recovery? The 78% retracement which I was mentioning is somewhere here. So if you take into consideration this top, which is an important top, and this is the low, which was an important low. So if you take into consideration this fall is about 78% retracement, and after 78% retracement, there has to be a bounce. Now this bounce has to be ferocious. This bounce has to be ferocious, and it should reach to our targets of 35,500 and 35,700 soon. So the target that I'm keeping in my mind at this point in time for this particular week will be 35,500 and 35. This is the first target that we'll be looking at. And the range that I'm going to talk about will still remain as 35,000 and 36,000. Right now, there is a very huge kind of a resistance at 35,500 level, but still I'm going to consider this range as 35,000 to 36,000, and the target we are going to consider will be this 35,535. So these are the two targets that I'm talking about, 16,001 for Nifty and 35,535 for Bank Nifty. I'm expecting Bank Nifty to pick up pace in this coming week, but let's be little conservative because Bank Nifty is underperforming. So let's be conservative. If these targets get completed, let's again, I will come back and update you with the next target as well. So that part will be taken care of. That's it for the day. Uh, a suggestion to all of you, if you are liking the videos or the view that I'm sharing with all of you, then please do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Growth Module. Thank you so much.